Layla. Hey guys. Ito yun si Layla guys. 7 months na siya. Ting! What? Come on, sit. Come on. Susuka ka. Bayak. Nagdididit niya lang kasi guys. Nagdididit. So, i-rest ko muna yung tummy niya. Buyang. Ching, ching. Muna siya pa anuhin ang breakfast niya. Are you okay? Good morning guys. My journey is 7 months. Look at my belly. You need to be careful. Careful, nak. Your tummy. Where's your book? Where's your book? Come on. Where are you going? Ano ba yung ginagawa niya, guys? Say good morning to everyone! Come here. Di pa nakapag-ayos ang mukha ni Madeline. So, good morning guys. Tapusin natin guys yung ating pantries, storage. Hindi ko siya natapos kagabi guys kasi si Layla, grabe yung pag-iyak niya. Screaming talaga siya. So, yan. Tapusin na lang natin ngayon. And, yan. Let's see what's happened. Layla. Sorry. Tik, 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 tik. Babad ko lang muna siya guys, then kusutin ko siya mamaya. So yan, hindi ko siya pwedeng iwasin guys kasi yung tela niya baka masira siya. Ayan, ito siya, may laso. So yan lang, hindi naman yan siya madumi guys, isang suot lang yan ni Laila and pawis lang. So yan. So, yun guys, pinaarawan ko si Laila guys. Then, pasok na kami. Nakasampay na rin ako. So, may order ako guys na hanging rack. So, I think ito yung dumating. Ilagay lang dito siya sa gilid guys. Diyan siya sa gilid ng gate. Wala yung dad-in-law ko dito. So, parang may kinuha yata siyang chicken ulit. So, may package tayo guys. Dito siya nilagay. Close yung gate eh. So, at least dito siya nilagay. Kaysa naman, ayan nga, D-rail. Ayan. Iniwan. Buti nga iniwan siya eh. So guys, makalat ang ating umaga. Ating kitchen. So, need nating clean. So, sabay ko siya guys ayos dito. Ayan. Hindi pa ako tapos. Let's finish. Dami kong gagawin guys. But I need to clean Laila first. Okay. Ready? Laila's food is ready. You like? You like, Nak? Just wait. She's hungry, guys. Cannot wait. I will put some cover. Wait, baby, wait. Yummy? You like? Oh, don't trap. Oh. You like? No, don't trap, baby. Yummy? Enjoy your meal. She's very hungry, guys. Don't trap. So, yan guys, ito yung pancake. Ito siya is potato. Nilagyan ko siya ng vitamins. Tapos, avocado, blueberry, kamates. Then, yan. Morning breakfast ni Laila. Good morning, guys. Yummy? You like it? Morning, guys. Laila have breakfast. Kaya ko na siya lagyan ng water. Don't trap. Pero marami yung nahulog sa kanya minsan, guys. Yummy? Yum yum. Paborito niya to, guys. This is her favorite, blueberry. Almost done na si Laila, guys. Ayan na yung itsura niya, guys. Oh. Ching! Kasi mayroon siyang yan, binigyan ko siya ng yogurt. So, strawberry flavor yung yogurt niya, guys. Binigay ko. Ayan. Paborito niya yung blueberry, guys. Yung kanyang avocado, hindi siya as in masyado. Ayan. Hello, guys. Baby lead winning ni Lala. Ayan. Almost done na. Almost done. Okay, you want to try? Okay, here. Itong bata na to, guys, gusto niya yung independent siya. Gusto niya yung siya lang. Ayaw niyang magpasubo. Yan. Ubos na, guys, yung kanyang pagkain. Na si Laila, guys. Nakaligo na siya, guys. Laruin ko lang siya ng saglit and then yan, patulogin ko na siya. So, busog pa siya. Baka mag-walking siguro kami para makatulog siya, guys. So, bawal ko siyang padidiin muna kasi busog siya eh. Tummy, guys, ubuyag. So, bawal muna. Kasi sumusuka yan siya, guys, pag super busog. Tapos, pinapadidi ko pa. So, sumusuka yan siya before, guys. Kaya bawal ko muna yan siyang didiin. Baka umapaw yung susuka. Hello, Laila. Say hi to everyone. So, ito, guys, dito ko siya nilagay. And dito, kasi hindi ko na siya nilagay sa floor, sa sahig, kasi nga lagi siyang nauntog, so hindi naman siya as in makapal. So dito ko na lang yan siya nilagay para makita niya, guys, instead na yung pangharang gani. So yan na lang. Oh, bawal 18, baby. Don't eat. Sinira na niya. Oy, tinanggal niya. So, ayusin ko na naman yan. Actually, guys, ginanyan ko yan siya. Nilagay ko yan siya ganito. So, pag natulog to, guys, mag-ayos na ako doon sa ating pantries. Busy. So, kailangan bata muna. Right, Layla? Layla? Alay. Alay. Mami? So, ang milestone ni Layla during her 7 months. Ayan na siya. Actually, guys, isa din sa natutunan niya, yung nilalagay namin siya sa corner. Tapos, minsan, nilalagay ko siya sa unan. Pinapaupo ko siya, guys. Tapos, sinaharangan ng unan. Kaya, unti-unti siyang natututong mag-upo. Yan. Nakabalance. Okay, guys. Nandito na siya, guys. So, hindi pa siya as in tapos. Ayan. So, ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Ayan. Hindi ko pa siya as in tapos, guys. Yung iba, dito ko na siya nilagay sa gitna. And then, yung ito, kasi medyo malaki doon. Hindi pwede mabigat doon, guys. Baka bumagsak. So, bibili pa ako ng mga ibang ganito, guys, kapag may stock ulit. Kasi marami pa akong paglalagyan kagaya sa mga ganito. So, once na binuksan na yung box, so, yan, natanggal ko na lang kasi dito ko na lang siya nilalagay yung iba, guys. Kasi punong-puno naman. And yan, guys. As long mga nabuksan na siya, nilalagay ko na siya sa mga ganyan pag nabubuksan na. Ito na, guys. So, hindi pa siya as in tapos. Ay, pa akong ayusin yan. Bibili pa ako ulit ng ganito. So, yung mga hindi pa nabuksan, dyan lang, steady lang. So, kapag nabuksan na, lipat natin sa mga bowl, sa mga box. Para hindi siya magulo ba. So, tingnan nyo, guys, mga ilang araw lang yan. Gugulo na naman yan. Ayan. Just wait. Tindo. You already stand up, Layla? Not that one. Clean now? Clean now? Clean? Clean now? No more papa? Oh, yeah. No more papa. You already have 2 papa. You kick mommy. You kick mommy. You kick mommy. I love you. What color? What color? Green. Green color. Green. Hold on. Come on. I need to finish this one. I love you. You love me. Don't stand up yet. Just hold on, baby. Come on. What? You're hiding, huh? Oh, you love blanket. Akala ko tinakpan yung mukha niya. God, cannot wait. Ah, bam, 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 bam. Pupo na siya guys. Nagpupo na naman guys. Han! Who's that? You're here? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? She's excited. Ooh. I thought you were still outside. Just wait, Lelo.
Hey! Oh my God! What is that?
She's very happy, huh?
What?
Oh,
What's that?
she already recognized you, huh? Oh, she's very happy, huh? Very happy. Daddy? Daddy?
Excited.
Is Daddy? She's very happy. You want to eat lunch?
No. Throw this in the bin, huh? Very angry.
Why? What happened?
Keep falling down.
But you keep buying that one.
No.
That's new one.
It's rubbish. No, that's old.
That's all that's new.
No. Old.
Sure?
It's cake
You have a
lunch.
lot that one.
No, the one Bunnings hard yakka. Shit. Look now. Just You coming? Coming? Oh!
Lovely.
Wow.
Oh, you're
You
ready.
got money?
Come here, come
You
here,
got mommy?
come here.
Look.
She's very happy
Oh.
and excited.
But mommy not happy. No kiss.
I'm waiting. Daddy no kiss. Daddy no kiss. She said, nah, with you whole day with you today, every day, whole day.
Now she knows we will go outside.
Where's my kiss?
Come on. Look, she's worried.
Daddy no kiss. Come here, Lena. I will try.
Look.
Come here, Lena.
Oh my God.
She said, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Come on. Come on. Quick, 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 quick.
Dito ko na lang guys tapusin yung aking vlog for today. And thank you guys for watching guys. So see you guys on my next vlog. So maligo pa ako guys. Lang guys. Diyan ko lang siya nilagay. Kasi walang space doon. Tapos yung ito binabad ko lang muna. Tapos yan.